All right, so we're working on the Montbello crime data. We basically downloaded the master list for all the crimes in Denver. We sorted by, this just to review, we sorted by the city name. Then we basically copied and pasted all of the results from Montbello into a new spreadsheet. Now what we're doing is we're compiling the number of incidences per month for aggravated assault, traffic incidences, and burglary. What we're going to do is we're going to graph that over time, and what you're going to see is some pretty cool patterns. You wait. All right? So again, just as review, I just sent you this. This is your grades. Remember, we're kind of doing a wisdom of crowd thing. So your grade is the median value. So 5 would be an A, 4 would be a B. So we got A's and B's. And honestly, you guys are pretty good. This is what I would have expected. No, you got a B. You got a B, ST got a B, Rod, and G Money. You got a lower B though. I have no idea if they even designate a lower B. You got B minus. How about that? All right. So again, that's why we're doing these evaluations. I got to give you guys a grade. You guys know better than I who's really participating and who isn't. So, okay. So let's go back to our original. So remember, this is our original spreadsheet. We sorted by Montbello. Just to give you a review of what we're doing, remember, so watch me very carefully. I'm going to give you a hint how to do this much better. So again, you want to put a space at the end of the month. So I'm going to do, since this has multiple listings, I'm going to do April instead of, I can do this one. I'll do this one. Well, no, I'll do this one. So I put a row there. I go insert. Okay. Now here's what I want to do is sometimes this can be very, very long, depending on how many assaults and everything. And what I want to do is I want to shorten my, oh wait, oh yeah. So let me put a space in here, I'm sorry. So what I want to do is I want to shorten my, this list, make it a little easier to read. So at the top of the month, I select this first row, I select everything except the last month, the last incident in that month. Right click, hide. Now I want to put, so this is 4, so it's 2011. Oop. Then you can put a star, and then I'm going to put 04 for April. Now here is where I want to put the sum. So I wanted to add up all those ones, but they're hidden now. You'll see how this works. So what I can do is I'll go in here, I'll go equals, remember you can copy this, equals sum, and then put the parentheses. And in fact, actually I'll just copy that right now, so I'll have that. Okay, now it's asking what do I want to take the sum of? We got the last one here. What I want is to put it right where this space is, right above the month, and go down. Okay. Put parentheses, turn. Oh, actually, we want to get rid of that. That's 10. We want the 9. No, actually, 10 works. Hit return. Then it counted it up. So basically what you're going to do is go through 5 years of this information and basically pull out all this information. Eventually what we're going to do is we're going to take this data, watch this. So I'm going to pull up a new file. Right? This is going to be the one we graph with. Now, once I've done that, now I can take all my information on this graph and I can start pulling it over here. Just like we did with the football stuff. Just drag, just copy these two. We want the date and we want the number of incidences in that month and year. Cool, huh? This is what we're going to graph. Once we have all this information for those 5 years, then we're going to graph this. And basically, once you get to that point, I'll show you what to do. Or you guys kind of know how to do it, but we'll go over it again. But again, today what I want you to do is work on collecting the number of incidences of whatever crime you were assigned for each month for all the years that we have information on. Does everybody understand that? Okay, and I am going to be circulating and watch you work. Because again, this is wax on, wax off stuff. So I really want you to get this. Wax on, wax off. Grasshopper.